In the diagram below of circle O, chord CD is parallel to diameter ACB, and arc CD is 130. So this guy here is 130, and AOB is a diameter, CD is parallel. So that means these two are going to be parallel there. I'm going to put in the markings. What is arc AC? Okay, so the within a semicircle, the angle of the arc of a semicircle is 180. And I'm going to draw in an auxiliary line here to help us with this problem here. Our goal is to find out what AC is, right? So I'm going to call AC here X. And the auxiliary line that I'm going to draw is this right here. I want to connect A and D together, okay, with an auxiliary line. So this line, okay, is drawn in because I have a pair of parallel lines, and whenever I have a pair of parallel lines, if I want to come up with other kinds of relationships, it is helpful to draw in a transversal. Now, look at this. Because arc AC is X and angle CDA is the inscribed angle that intercepts arc AC, we have an understanding that whenever you have an inscribed angle and the intercepted arc there, let's say if this is arc A, then this angle over here is going to be 1/2 of that, right? So why is that important to know? Well, that's because, if angle CDA is 1/2 X, what would angle DAB equal to? Angle DAB, right? Angle DAB would also equal to 1/2 X. Let me rewrite that a little bigger. So this angle over here is also going to be 1/2 X. And why is that? Well, that's because of alternate interior angles are congruent. So wait a minute. If angle DAB is 1/2 X, what would make that of arc DB? Well, since the inscribed angle is half of the intercepted arc, and here in this case DAB is 1/2 X, arc DB therefore would also be X, because it's got to be double that inscribed angle, right? So wait a minute. If the full arc of a semicircle is 180, then I have X plus 130 is equal to 180. I can subtract both sides by 130 and combine the 2x, and then I'll end up with 2x is equal to 50. Dividing 2x by 2 and 50 by 2, I'll end up with x is equal to 25. So arc AC must equal to 25, and that would be option 1.